Over the years, banking in Nigeria has evolved from being just a financial intermediary to a real business. Consequently, banks now render services such as ATM banking, online banking, mobile banking, to mention but a few. With the outburst of internet and mobile phones in Nigeria, banking has been made even easier. To reach the unbanked population in the country, Computer Warehouse Group, in collaboration with Infosys, organized a forum recently in Lagos.
It's basically around how channels, as in the banking sector, ATM channels, the internet, mobile channels, is driving banking towards being more customer-centric.
One of the things that we're talking about is over and above the traditional ways of reaching out to banking customers, such as branch, such as internet. I think there are alternate channels that are coming up and has been explored in other parts of the world. He presented some examples, representative examples from India and few other countries. Mobile banking is becoming very, very popular. Mobile banking penetration in Nigeria is very, very high, and that could be an alternate channel to reach out to each and everybody. You don't have to go to ATM, you don't have to walk into a branch. Mobile banking itself, if it reaches good functionality and has a good feature functionalities, can do and act as an alternate channel altogether.
According to James Agada of Computer Warehouse Group, customer satisfaction can only be achieved if there are various channels of interactions between the banks and the customers.
We're looking at the means of interaction between a bank and our customers. And traditional channel is the branch. You have to go to the branch, but you have to go. But the other channels, the electronic channels we have now, the bank comes to you. Either they come on your mobile phone or they come with through an agent who is near you. So if we look at the theme, the essence now is that for banks to grow and to grow much bigger than they are now, in order to be able to serve the much larger customer base that they have to start using a lot more of these channels to manage this interaction.
The bankers were not left out of an intense discussion segment at the forum, which centered customer satisfaction on the digital banking channels. They also lamented the challenges facing a smooth deployment of state-of-art technologies in banking.
Two key things why you have low patronage. The first is infrastructural challenges. So presently now, you have about 7 real active on the streets mobile money operators. I don't want to mention names, but they are just about 7. And then out of these 7, they are all local champions. What I mean by local champions, each person has certain states or regions where they operate and thrive. So if you want to do business with a customer, you have to tell the customer, if your business is going to be in the south, in Bayelsa and Rivers, this is the mobile payment operator to use. If you are going to the north central, this is the person whose service you would find.